Welcome to Skitch, your all-in-one photo markup, image annotation, and editing tool. Whether you're a student, designer, content creator, or professional, Skitch makes marking up and enhancing your images fast and easy. Open Skitch and choose an image from your gallery, capture a new one, or start from a blank canvas. Use powerful markup tools like arrows, lines, shapes, stars, and freehand drawing to annotate your photos with precision. Add text, callouts, emojis, or stickers to your images. Customize font, color, and size to match your style or message. Need to hide sensitive info? Use the blur, mosaic, or spotlight tools to conceal or highlight parts of your photo. Combine multiple images into a single layout or create long scrolling screenshots. Great for tutorials and comparisons. Zoom into details using the magnifier tool and annotate with high accuracy. Quickly crop, rotate, or resize your photos with easy editing tools. Want to sketch ideas or make diagrams? Start fresh with a blank canvas and use drawing tools to bring your thoughts to life. Capture full web pages or specific screen sections and annotate them for bug reporting, guides, or design reviews. Plan trips or explain routes easily. Draw on maps, label pins, and mark paths directly on screenshots. Overlay logos, watermarks, or combine multiple images to create custom layouts. Skitch is compact, free, ad-free, and packed with pro tools. It's the ultimate app for creating how-to guides, giving feedback, or just having fun with photos. Download Skitch now and take your photo markup to the next level. Available for free on the Play Store.